Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Wow, Golf 2 litre TDI BlueMotion Tech. It's a GT DSG Euro 6 stop-start, so registered the latter part of 2014 on a 64 plate after September 14. 87,000 miles. Pure white. Lowered but done nicely, mud flaps, 10 spoke 19-inch wheels with I think Michelin Pilot Sports. Got the lovely grey and black check trim, nice roof spoiler on the back, splitter on the front, rear splitter, nice big chrome tail exhaust pipes, isn't any noisier than a standard car. Front splitter by TNC, I think it is, that one on TTC. Got the lock on cruise controls, got the square down there in the front grille, front park sensors, got those nice LED headlamps, privacy glass, it's got satellite navigation, it's got DAB radio, it's got Bluetooth, it's got nice blue brake calipers. Great car, drives lovely, space saver spare wheels in there, nice rear splitter down there under the bumper in gloss black, big chrome exhaust tips, black spoiler, wind deflectors. Just driven it, drives beautifully. I haven't checked the service history, but I will put all of that in the written part of this advert. Stone chips, absolutely beautiful inside. Well, it's very nice outside, but it is beautiful inside. Door openings, seats, no wear on the switches, no wear on the steering wheel, flat bottom GTD steering wheel, obviously, with some nice aluminium paddles, electric windows, electric mirrors, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, got your sports modes, so you've got sport, eco, individual, normal, sport, driving modes. It's got hill hold assist, electronic handbrake, real clean throughout, got the mats in the back, got double USB points down there to charge your phones. What a fantastic looking Golf. Drives beautifully as well. Super clean in there. There is space saver spare wheel, jack, wheel brace toolkit, alloy wheel locking key, all present and correct. Looks good, drives beautifully. Those nice little mud flaps on, obviously aftermarket wheels, very nice. Nice brake disc, Michelin Pilot Sport tyres all round. We will service it before it leaves. It's got service history, which I will detail. I didn't have time to look. Electric windows, electric mirrors. We will detail the service history in the written part of the advert. Automatic lights, cruise control, 87,000 miles, automatic DSG Euro 6 stop-start. What a beautiful Golf. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website, to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we have a fresh car come into stock, and you will be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.